morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Swollenders channel. Today, I'm excited to announce we're going to be starting a new series on the channel. It's going to be focused on restoring our 68 Chevelle. So if you guys love classic cars or just want to learn stuff about cars or just want to follow along, stay tuned, subscribe, and check it out. It's going to be cool. I'm going to take you guys in the garage. We're going to check out what the car looks like right now. I'll tell you guys kind of the history of it, what I've done to it so far, and then show you what I'm working on today. So let's go. Upper control arms, lower control arms by Ride Tech. They're the Ride Tech strong arms. Eventually I'm going to set this car up for air ride, so that's why I went with the strong arms, because Ride Tech makes a whole complete system that's easy to bolt on. But I have coilovers that I had bought, so for now I'm going to go with those until I save up the money to get the air ride system. But yeah, so that's what's going on here. And let me show you guys what else I'm going to work on today. There it is. That's what we're working on today. It's a Wilwood disc brake set. It's going to be going on the car. These are the Ride Tech 2-inch drop spindles that go with the rest of the suspension out there. And yeah, here's all the Wilwood brake components we're going to be assembling today. I got to put all this together. I am by no means a mechanic, but I know how to read directions and figure stuff out and use common sense. So let's get this thing put together. I'm gonna go grab my tools and we'll get started. Sorry to leave you guys hanging right here in this part of the video. This is me in my garage searching for tools that are very unorganized in there, but don't worry, we'll be taking care of that in a future video. Well guys, that was a fail. The first step that I need to get this thing started, I don't have the right tool. I don't have a big enough Allen tool. This thing's pretty big, but it's not the right size. So I gotta head to the store, grab a bigger Allen wrench, and then we'll get rolling. Back from the store, got the Allen wrenches, so hopefully I don't need any more later. Let's get back at it. Here we go. Alright guys, that took a while. I didn't have some tools that I needed. Like I said, I'm not a mechanic. So I had to go get tools. I had to look for tools. My garage is not organized. That's another thing I need to do to make this easier. But I'm going to show you guys. I like mock mounted it up, so let's see what it looks like. There it is on there. It's kind of tight on this side of the garage, but there we go. It's all assembled. It's on there. No spring yet, of course, because I just kind of mocked it up for now to see. But everything seems to work good. It's spins. Might have to adjust it. I don't know. Actually, I think it's good there. Has a little bit of a rub. I don't know if that's normal or not. I'll mess with it more, but it's pretty even to me as far as spacing. Maybe a little more space on this side needed. But all in all, not too bad. All right, guys, all done for the day. They're all in. Just kind of mocked up just to see. Everything spins really well. No hitting or grinding on anything. I took out one of the washers on this side and it's just no more sound like it was before. If you guys didn't notice before, this was mounted in the front. So like I said, guys, I'm not a freaking mechanic. I think I did it backwards, so I ended up doing the whole thing again, which, hey, I don't mind. I learned how to do it even faster now, so the second one was like so easy after that. But yeah. Oh, there's Brooke. What's up, Brooke? Careful. But yeah, anyways, guys, so it's all in. Waiting on a couple parts. The spring washer that goes down here, and the boot, rubber boot down there for the other side because it's torn. Once I get those, I'll go get the spring compressor or coil compressor, compress that, put the springs on, and then we'll be good to put wheels and tires and roll this thing out of here so I could clean up the garage. I want to pressure wash and clean up in here. But yeah, thanks for watching. Next video, I'll have Lizzie sit with me and we'll give you guys the backstory on this thing because we've had this since we were 18. So, all right, guys, peace out. Thanks for watching.